I'm sure you've heard the news. Dolphins are now officially the coolest creatures under the sea. These clever sea mammals have discovered a way to have a little fun with their pufferfish pals. Young dolphins have been spotted carefully chewing on pufferfish, but don't worry, no pufferfish were harmed in the making of this video. The dolphins released just a tiny bit of the pufferfish's toxin, which seems to have a mild narcotic effect. Yep, you heard that right. Dolphins are getting a bit of a buzz. They even pass the pufferfish around in what looks like an underwater game of catch. It's like a dolphin party, just goes to show, even in the deep blue sea, everyone loves a little bit of fun and games. Next time you think about marine life, remember, dolphins are not just smart and friendly, they also know how to have a good time. Stay curious and keep swimming with the facts.